Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. Welcome to my channel. Today I have come up with making bell sleeves, and for this I already have cut upper part of my sleeves. Bell sleeves are always cut in two parts. First part, upper part, is cut according to the basic sleeves pattern, and related to this basic sleeves pattern I already have posted a video. I hope you have seen. I am sharing a link in my description box. Please click that link and you can see from there. And for lower circle part, I have taken this fabric. I have taken 1 inch extra for seam allowance in length, and 1 inch I have taken for width from this side. I have taken, and 0.5 inch from this side and 0.5 inch from this side in length. Total 1 inch I have taken. Now at this part I have to attach my circle part. For cutting the second circle part, one thing we have to keep in mind that for cutting at this side, as this is straight from here, and this would be in a curve shape, a little bit curve shape from here. As this is 5.5, okay, this 5.5 without seam allowance, I'm not including this part. 5.5 would be my prepared sleeves, and I have to take the length of my width of my prepared sleeves. So I will again exclude 0.5 inch from here, means I'm not taking 0.5 inch from here, and I will take only 5 inch of width. Now I will take half of this, and it is 2.5. So the total width which I have to take from the upper part 2.5, and the lengthwise I have to take 6 inches. Here I have taken 13 inches with seam allowance, and here I would take 6 inches with seam allowance. Total length of my sleeves is 19 inches. So 13 inches from this side and 6 inches from this side. Now I have to cut this. So for cutting this, I have this piece of fabric which is in square shape. So I have to fold it in this way that I will make a triangle of this. Okay, I have made a triangle of this. Now I will again make a triangle of this. Now these are total 8 layers of fabric, and I have to cut circle part for my two sleeves at one time. I'm cutting, and 4 layers for one sleeve and 4 layers for the other sleeve. So these should be 8 layers of fabric, and it is folded from this side and folded from this side. So I will start cutting from here. I have made the width 2.5 inch. So I have to take 2.5 inch from this side. I will put it in this way. So here I would take 2.5 inch. First I will put my measuring tape in this way. Here it is 2.5, so I will mark over here. Now I have to make a little bit curve shape, so I would start measuring from this side. It is 1.75. Okay, so it should be 1.75 from all the sides. So as you can see, this is a little bit in curve shape. Okay, now from here I would measure the length of my circle part, and I have to take 6 inches with seam allowance, and here it is 6 inches. Now for making a circle, I would start measuring from here for making a proper circle. It should be a little bit long, and it is 8 from here, so it should be 8 from all the sides. In this way. Now I will start cutting from here, and from here I will cut. I have got 2 circles in this way. Now first I would take a stitch from here and then I will join these 2 parts. I have taken a stitch and now this part of sleeves is ready to join circle part. I would take a stitch in this way, that this is the right side and it is also the right side, and I have to take a stitch in this way. Okay, so I would turn it in this way and I would start joining from here. Okay, I would take a stitch over here in a round way. Then I will do picot from this side and my sleeve, bell sleeve would be ready. So for taking a stitch, one thing I want to tell you, that while stitching you don't stretch any of this part, especially this part, because this is in a circle form, and if you stretch this part it will increase its volume and then you have to add gather to this part. So with very loose hands means without stretching you have to take a stitch over it. Okay. So my circle sleeve is ready, as you can see, and it is in very good shape in a circle way, and in this way. So I have done a picot over here, and I hope that you have liked this video. Please thumbs up for me and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.